Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create polls in Jitsi Meet. So what you'll need to do is click on three dots right here where it says more actions. Then just go to the polls, and right here you can create a poll or you can see the chat. So basically I will create a poll. Let's say who wants ice cream, and I will see me and me. Okay, so me too. And I will add an option. You'll be able to add an option or just remove it, and you'll be able to just to click save and click send. This will send and make a poll, and as you can see, you'll be able to just vote for that or that one. And right here, if you click on show details, it will show who vote for this poll and basically the percentage of the voters. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.